Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4 a.m. At 2:41 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lacroix Bell to near Elkhorn to near Clinton, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, public. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Whitewater, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, and Pewaukee. People attending the Waukesha County Fair, Country Thunder and Twin Lakes, SA, Wisconsin State Fair Park, Conco Park, and the Milwaukee Air and Water Show should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following locations: Border Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Timmerman Airport, Froder and the Medical College, Fisher Forum, Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong